Good morning, it's 10 a.m. It is the 20th of June. Today is the longest day of the year, so get out and enjoy that sun while we have it. Some scattered clouds right now over the metro region after a kind of a bumpy night overnight. Missed a lot of it. Most of it went southwest of a line from Granite Falls to Mankato and then down towards Austin. Central Iowa was getting hit pretty hard. You can still see that flash flood warning that's in effect down there towards Waverly and Waterloo, Iowa. You can see that stationary front that's laid out just north of the metro, just right on the north side here. That's going to be the firing line of where the heat and humidity is to the south, and the lower dew points are to the north. And that's going to set the stage for today's severe weather outlook, which, if you can tell, it's going to be a tight boundary between that enhanced risk across northern Minnesota back across most of North Dakota. Slight risk extends a little bit south of that, and then a marginal risk down to the Twin Cities along the US 12 corridor. And then below that is just general thunderstorms. But looking ahead to tonight, boy, that's a wind outlook I don't want to see. It's a 30% outlook across most of northern Minnesota and North Dakota, that same enhanced area. The hatching on it means that there's a 10% chance or greater of winds in excess of 75 miles an hour. That same area kind of holds true for the hail outlook. We have a much larger hatched area in the hail outlook, and that is for hail greater than 2 inches in diameter. And then for our tornado outlook, that's actually pretty substantial. We have a 10% chance, and that is across most of east central North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. And that is a hatched 10%, which means it could be EF2 or stronger tornadoes in that region. And the story we've been talking about all week coming up is the heat warnings that are now in effect from noon tomorrow all the way through 9 p.m. on Sunday. Remember to keep hydrated, stay in the shade if you can. If you don't have to go outdoors, don't. If you do have to be outside or you're working outside, make sure you're taking plenty of breaks and drinking a lot of water. Continuing on with our severe weather outlook, day 2, there could be a few thunderstorms in this heat, but I would not be surprised if we didn't see anything at all. Then day 3, here comes the cold front end that's going to change everything. You can see that slight risk already in effect for the day 3 from International Falls back towards Warroad, all the way down into southwestern Minnesota, northwest Iowa, just clipping the southeast corner of North Dakota and about the eastern third of South Dakota. And that will be the bringer of changes as we slip into a much cooler and much wetter week next week. Highs today should be about 90 degrees, humid. Tomorrow and Sunday should be very warm and humid. High tomorrow, 97 in the metro. Only 93 on Sunday, but overnight low, probably no more than about 78. So not a lot of relief on the overnight. Taking a look into Monday, showers and thunderstorms move in, and temperatures much cooler, highs only in the upper 70s. And then for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's going to be downright chilly compared to what we've had over the weekend, with highs only in the upper 60s to low 70s, and overnight lows only getting into the low 60s. Pretty good pickup of rain here as we go through this time frame. And that is your Friday outlook on June the 20th. I am already trying to get through this weekend and all this heat. That's what it is. Like I said, if you're going to be out this weekend, make sure you're taking your heat precautions. Take breaks if you're outside, plenty of water, and stay cool.